All right, in this video, I'm going to talk about how HTML tables work and how you can build them. So they're kind of like spreadsheets in a way. So you've got rows, you have columns, you have cells, you have headers. So it's basically just a way to organize a grid of information. So the first step is to create the table. So you just do that by having an opening and closing table tag. That's pretty much it. And then inside the table, for step 2, you add your rows. And the rows are represented with the TR tag. So you can just think of TR as table row, T table, R row. And so in this picture, we've got our table, and then we've got these 3 pairs of TR tags, and then a closing table tag. So how many rows does this table have? You said 3. You're correct. Congratulations. So there are 3 pairs of TR tags. So there are 3 rows. So step 3 is to add cells, and those are represented with TD. So the TD cells go inside of the TR tags. Or sorry, the TD tags go inside the TR tags. So you can see here, each one of these light gray rectangles is a TR. And inside of it, you have 2 smaller, darker rectangles, and those are the TD tags. And so think of TD as table data. Okay, so you put the data in the individual TD tags. So they go inside the TR tag, like I said. So the number of TDs per TR is the number of columns. So hopefully that made sense. So in this case, how many columns does this table have? So we've got our table tag. Inside of that, we have 3 pairs of TR tags. And inside of each pair of TR tags, we have 2 pairs of TD tags. So, did you guess? If you said 2, you're correct. All right, so you can see here I outlined 2 pairs of TD tags inside of each TR. And then finally, if you want to add a header to your table, basically in the top row or the top TR tag, instead of 2 TD tags, you put, or I guess instead of TD tags, you put TH tags. And so think of TH as table header. And the TH is like TD, but it's in the top row. So that's basically it. In the next video, I'm going to show you in code how you can actually create a school schedule using an HTML table. Thanks for watching.